video, we are going to learn about the conversion of units. We are using meter, liter and gram in our day-to-day life. These units are known as basic units. Meter, liter and gram are basic units. Besides these basic units, we are using other units too. For example, millimeter, milligram, centimeter, kiloliter, kilometer, kilogram also. So how to convert from lower unit to higher unit? First of all, we'll see lower unit. See here that meter, liter and gram, these are the basic units. Left hand side of that basic units are milli, centi, deci, these are the lower units, and right hand side of the basic units are deca, hecto, kilo, these are the higher units. Means from milli to kilo, these are lower to higher units, and kilo to milli, these are higher to lower units. When we have to convert from lower unit to higher unit, we have to do division. So by which number we have to divide or multiply, that will decide according to these steps. For example, we have to convert from milli to deci. So from milli to deci means lower to higher. And milli to deci, there are 1 and 2 steps. For one step, we take 10. So for 2 steps means we will take 100. So here we divide by 100, then we'll get, see here, 2625 centigram into decagram and centigram. We have to convert from centigram to decagram. So lower to higher unit. So we have to divide. Now see here, from centigram to decagram there are 1, 2 and 3 steps. So we have to divide by 1000. So 2625 divided by 1000. If you divide it by 1000, then see here, 1000 to the 2000. So here you will get 625 as a remainder, 2 as a quotient. So it's equal to whatever quotient, that is decagram, and whatever remainder remains, that is centigram. Next example, 2 kg 15 decagram into decagram. We have to convert from kilo to decagram. Kilogram to decagram, there are 2 steps. Kilo to hecto 1 and hecto to deca 2. So we have to multiply by 100 because we convert from lower unit to higher unit, and when we convert from lower unit to higher unit, we have to multiply. So 2 kg is equal to 2 into 100. So it's equal to 200 decagram. So 2 kg 15 decagram is equal to 2 kg is equal to 200 decagram plus this 15 decagram, it's equal to 215 decagram. Next example, 4.2 hectometer into meter. We have to convert from hectometer into meter. So we have to convert lower unit to higher unit. So we have to multiply. Hectometer to meter, there are 1 and 2 steps. So we have to multiply by 100. So 4.2 hectometer is equal to 4.2 multiplied by 100 meter. So it's equal to 420 meter. We multiply by 100. So decimal point will move from left to right by 2 places. So here we'll get 420 meter. Next example, 6.3 kilometer into decameter. We have to convert from kilometer into decameter. So higher unit to lower unit. When we convert from higher unit to lower unit, we have to multiply. Kilometer to decameter, there are 2 steps. So we have to multiply by 100. So 6.3 kilometer is equal to 6.3 multiplied by 100 decameter. So it's equal to 630 decameter. Example, 2 hectogram 15 decigram into decigram. We have to convert from hectogram to decigram. Hectogram to decigram. Higher to lower unit. So we have to multiply. We have to multiply by, there are 1, 2 and 3 steps. So we have to multiply by 1000. So we'll convert 2 Hg into decigram. So 2 multiplied by 1000 decigram. So it's equal to 2000 decigram. 2 Hg 15 decigram is equal to 2 hectogram means is equal to 2000 decigram plus this 15 decigram. So it's total 2015 decigram. 2 liter 36 centiliter into centiliter. First of all, we have to convert that 2 liter into centiliter. Then we add 36 centiliter in that centiliter. So first of all, we will see liter to centiliter. Liter to centiliter means higher to lower. Higher to lower means we have to multiply. And see here that liter to centiliter there are 1 and 2 steps. So we have to multiply by 100. So 2 liter is equal to 2 into 100 centiliter. So it's equal to 200 centiliter. So 2 liter 36 centiliter, it's equal to 2 liter is nothing but 200 centiliter. So 200 plus 36 centiliter, it's equal to 236 centiliter. 2.6 kiloliter into deciliter. Kiloliter to deciliter. We have to convert from higher unit to lower unit. So we have to multiply. We have to multiply by which number? See here, from kiloliter to deciliter, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps. So we have to multiply by 2.6, 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps. So we have to multiply by 10,000. So it's equal to 2, 6. Here we have to multiply by 10,000. So the decimal point will move 4 places. So 6 is 1 place, 2nd place, 3rd place and 4th place. So 26,000 is the answer. So 26,000 deciliter. 1536 decimeter into hectometer and decimeter. Now we have to convert from decimeter to hectometer, means lower to higher unit. So we have to do division. Now decimeter to hectometer, there are 1, 2 and 3 steps. So we have to divide by 1000. So 1536 divided by 1000. If you divide it by 1000, you will get 1000, 1 ja 1000. So here remainder is 536. Your quotient is 1, so it's equal to 1 hectometer and 536 decimeter. So students, here we learn some conversion of units. So one more time we will revise that all concepts again. To remember that all conversions, just you have to remember that one sentence: milli, centi, deci, meter, liter or gram, anything you can take here. Milli, centi, deci, liter, deca, hecto, kilo. That you remember. Instead of liter, here meter and gram you can take. When we convert from lower unit to higher unit, we have to do division, and when we convert higher unit to lower unit, we have to do multiplication. So by which number we have to multiply or divide, that will decide according to steps. If one step means from milli to centi, then we have to divide by 10 only. But if we have to convert here from milli to deci, there are two steps, so we have to divide by 100. If we have to convert from milli to basic units, any liter, milliliter to liter, then we have to divide by 1000, because here are 3 steps. So these are the tips that you have to keep remember, that sentence only: milli, centi, deci, liter, deca, hecto, kilo, and according to that you can convert any unit. So I hope that you understand that conversion of units. Bye bye.